enemy.
Yeah, Apple very weak off the gate.
I can't. Netflix, fuck, $1 away from the account. Just fucking wait, clickbait.
Alright, NVIDIA strength, I like that. Want to watch this over 115?
Wasn't feeling me.
Wow, Apple really weak off the gate too. Looks like it's going to 200.
Alright, I'm gonna load the NVIDIA 114 calls.
Tesla's weak. Fuck with Tesla. Tesla's weak. Apple, damn. Talk to Jake, cost FaceTime. You want feeling me? Hey, enemy. Video 14 bucks.
Eyes maintaining pretty ball as well. Off this 564.
Talk great cost FaceTime. Oh, it's cheap. Get it for 2 different positions.
Let's see if we can set up a trade here in the video. If it gets us a strong close with 115.
Yeah.
Set my levels. Talk to Drake, cross FaceTime.
AMD. AMD up above 99 now.
Talk to Drake, cross FaceTime. Get me.
Guys, I'm loading next week Amazon 190 calls. This 188 is a level that I have.
I like Tesla.
Yeah, we closed right at 115.
I want to load my NVIDIA too. I loaded my NVIDIA 0DD 114 calls. Yeah, they're cheap. Wow.
I got filled on Amazon starters, 370 average.
Alright, see if we get this reclaim.
Is your average 3.7 or 5.9?
3.7. I have the 190 calls next week. Yeah, May 9th. Yeah.
I don't like that trade. I should have took Tesla.
All right, tapping that pre-market high. Want to see if we can reclaim 115.
I want to see this level hold here, guys.
I like
This is the
Tesla
3rd minute mark I was just mentioning, right? Let's see if we can get a wick here. If it does, I'll complete and add to my position completed. Otherwise, we'll just
I like Tesla.
right here.
I should have bought Tesla instead. Oh my gosh. It started in the video.
All right, guys, I added to my position. I finalized my position here. Next week contracts, my average is 325. And my stop is going to be around 187. That's the part. Okay.
Did I get in? Oh, okay, I'm about to say. I got like 2 more ads.
The risk is about $20, $30 a con, maybe 10%.
We could just use that pre-market.
Yeah, okay. I'm getting filled here.
I was about to say.
I got filled at 1.55.
There's a green again. We reclaimed 188 also.
I'm also filled on NVIDIA, but I'm going to use my pre-market high as stop.
At 11450. But that's a technical reclaim at 115, so let's see.
My pre-market high is like 114.4, I think. Yeah, 1440.
Very nice candle here on Amazon. Let's see if we can take that 189 again.
My last ad. Back down here.
Oh, sorry, my average is 1.5. The contracts are really cheap on this. Size right though. Don't go crazy. It's 0DD. Very volatile.
Oh, maybe no more ads then.
We're up 10% here, guys. Oh, wow. All right. Guys, I've taken a trim here at 12%, and I'm moving my stop to 188 now. Remember, this is next week contracts. If you did zeros, you're probably up more. All right, 189 also reclaimed now.
I wanna wait.
Nice. Hopefully that was a bottom tick.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay. We're up $50 per con here on next week's, guys. I've taken most off. Okay. I'm being risk off today. It's up like 16% now.
I don't like that. He's playing with this line. I don't like that. I'm like, get out.
Hopefully that's the bottom tick. Come on, give me it. Give it to me,
Swag
bitch.
going
Come on.
up. Yeah, we should be good. Yeah.
There. Oh my God. Yeah.
I'm so red rider when I.
Hopefully everyone got that. This was on full size for me. Oh my God. Nice.
Yeah. Alright, I'm out. Trying to get out.
Saw 20% on this already, guys. I'm just going to use 188 as stop. Clean. I'm out. Right? If it goes, it goes. If we reclaim 190, you guys know what's going to happen. This relapse right here.
A little bit of money.
Oh wow.
Buy more? Nah.
Up 20% here.
Wow, 20% next week contracts is crazy.
contracts. Yep.
That's great.
These contracts high is $6. Oh, well, more than 20% now. We're gonna reclaim 190 here. Let's see if that goes. Come on. This is the first time I'm trading Amazon in forever. Zero, someone said they did 75%. Awesome. I was just risk off, guys. Like I just said, like I'm like pretty much done for the week. I didn't lose zeros. I just did next week, but I had good size. Come on, give it to me.
Buy one more.
190 plus. Let's go to 192.
I really like the idea of using this 114.50 as our level, like on the video.
Yeah. Just needs to take out 115 though.
Come back down.
That's a level though. Our risk probably is about 20% on 0 days, which is pretty good.
Need this to come back down to my level.
They're cheap contracts, so make sure you guys are sized right. But if it can clear 115, this should go 30 or 40%.
Come on, bro. Marshall contract 83.
And I should like Microsoft also. It's fine. Next candle, give it to us. Come on. I just used 188 as trail stop on this case. Okay. No fucking around, no messing around. I'm going to try to be done also after this trip. If nothing catches my next 15 minutes.
Spy losing his juice. That might be my stop. What's that one?
All right, we're testing my stop here. Contracts are down 20% in 0 days. This is about where our risk is. Tempted to actually add and just use that as a low, that kind of low stop, but let's be patient for a second.
I'll stop that.
If it holds, let's see if we can get a strong hold here first.
That's a red. That's a red right up on my.
We're about sitting here at break even here, but this is the risk area here. So basically, our contracts are going to be around break even. So 188 area, maybe I'll give it 10 more cents.
No reason to add. Let's just be patient.
Like the obvious 190 reject there on this candle. They can stop this off and then next candle rip above 190. That will be the idea. Either way, the risk is pretty defined, guys, on these remaining funds. They can do trims. Let's see how this plays out here.
Low-key going against the market right here.
Wiki.
All right, AMB's sitting here now. Contract's still holding pretty well too.
But it is possible that, I mean, it's an early market.
If I see it
Okay.
can,
I like that.
It's the upside.
Go,
Breaks-
please.
Spy
Quick.
breaks this, then
Hulk.
it's pretty good, for sure.
If you're gonna go, you gotta go now. We're still green on these cons, guys. Now what I want to happen is I want to see this candle, like at least try to take out that 190. That's our ideal scenario. If not, we'll stop order on this.
There's a lot of sell pressure.
all right.
Like 11470. Can reclaim that. I'll get an ad.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow stops though at 114.3. Just because it's very volatile in 0 days. Want to have a nice tight stop. But let's see. Looks good. Just needs to build here.
That low should be my stop, almost 20%. I'm really trading sideways.
I like that candle.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. I just added.
I'm also gonna add as well. I'm just gonna use that candle low as stop. So now I'm my full size stop loss.
My average is 1.39.
114.30 stop loss. Still don't go crazy on sizing. There's no reason to, guys.
It's Trump when you need him. Not red one. Let's go. Come on.
Maybe this will give us some support.
Yeah, I don't like that too much though.
Guys, I full sold runners, guys, on Amazon. I'm
Yeah.
all out.
I sold.
I'm gonna give it a second here. 114.1. I'm actually just gonna give it to 114, just because that was the opening print. I'm gonna give it to 114.
I'm already down 9.
If this candle does a sweep and reclaim and turn green, I'll re-enter, keep the same next week contracts on Amazon loaded.
Is there a low?
But it has to happen. If it doesn't, I won't chase.
You got stop. You took your stop, Mike.
Yeah, I did. I just want to respect my stop.
I want to just use this opening print here. I'm gonna risk about 20% on the full size. Just letting you guys know. My average on this is 1.3. So, or sorry, 1.27. So I'll risk about 25% on full size. 114 stop loss. If it loses it here, I'm selling.
Yeah.
113.8. This is just an emotional fail here. Does it stay below? 20 seconds below. It's mostly just a SPY rejecting off that 564 area, which seems to be the problem. Not adding more to this though, guys. Definitely not adding more. I just want to follow my stops here. If I see it fail under 114 with conviction, I'm selling.
Guys, I'm loading SPY 565 1DT calls. Loading this nominator.
1380.
Negative re-entry if this candle wicks back over 114.
Yeah, I'm down like 26% right now. A little bit more than what I wanted to.
Down 50. Dime. That's what I'm
Keep the cons ready, guys. I'm not going to add to this. I'll just get filled, but small size, okay?
Okay, I sold my position at 0.8. So I lost 27% on 0 DDE.
10%.
It's just closed under my 114. So if it can reclaim, I look for re-entry. It looks like
Guys, I got filled on SPY 295 average. So I'm going to use that low of that candle, previous candle as stop. Very tight.
That is bad.
Like,
Guys, I just got a re-entry
563,
in the video.
20.
0.96.
way.
0.96 average.
No way.
Oh,
You
that's
re-entered?
just a crazy reclaim. I knew that was gonna happen too.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm back in as well. I'm back in at 0.98.
Yeah, I'm getting into.
Stop loss under that low, 113.7. I should have just maintained my initial position, but I'm back in as well.
Shoot.
You guys saw I just literally just absolutely liquidity grab my stop there under 114. That's what I was thinking was going to happen as well. Looks good though. Just has to get above that pre-market high, 14.5.
I'm up 14% here. I'm just going to take a trim.
Right, stops us out and then just
Yeah. It looks good now though. Just has to build. What the hell?
Oh, what the fuck is that?
What is that?
Oh, no.
Clock data.
No, we
I'm
don't
down
even-
$20 account here. Like 5%, 6%. Let's see.
Following stops though, guys. We're not gonna give risk on this. 113.7 is my stop loss. That's the low of that candle. I don't know what this is. If we're responding to news or something.
No, guys, I'm out. I don't know what that is.
Maybe responding to news.
Keep them loaded though. I don't know what it is. Like we close to 9% on that, guys.
Is that?
I'm down 12% right now on my re-entry. I unfortunately did not get any trims out either.
It still looks good. It's holding well. But yeah, 113.70. Have to use that on the rest.
Yeah.
No, something happened on news or something. There was a sudden pop on something. Look at Netflix, everything.
It looks like
Yeah,
it's like
the
getting
on SPY.
stopped here on this position. Let's see. 113.7. If this flips red, I gotta sell. That reclaim, that 950 reclaim candle looked really good as well. They're just, this news is just destroying the setups here alongside.
No, it's no real selling. Let's see how this candle plays out. If they get the reclaim again, I'll go back in. I don't know what it is. Let me see. Yes.
Maybe I should just play the gap fill.
It's really fine risk. Let's see. 1 minute to candle close.
Nvidia still
Yes,
holding.
I got
strong.
it filled again. 262 average.
This is a little high.
Just needs to hold above 114.
Bounce that.
Nice. All right.
It just held our stop perfectly, Mike.
I don't know what that was, but tape read was good. All right, let's see. Let's see how this can closes, guys.
2 contracts. I get 2.
All right. Now if they can reclaim this wave up here,
I did
we
get 2.
probably have the best, one of the best entries.
The SPY looks really good.
Yeah, like we're up like 8% here, guys. So whatever risk we lost on the previous trade, we covered it here. If you want to take trims, you can. I'm just gonna hold.
Why is it doing that?
This is the test.
Guys, so my stop loss on NVIDIA,
Guys, I've taken a trim here, guys. I just covered my risk from the previous trade. So we're back to our original price, basically. The first entry that we had, we are back to the same price. Same trade plan. I just covered some little risk, but I'm holding the rest. Okay.
My stop is at 113.60. That previous candle low. On runners, because I got trims off.
Yeah, we're up like 13-14% here, guys, now. Yeah, now I knew I had the right trade. Oh my God, yeah. All right. I'm going to use hard 363 as stop or break even, whichever is closed. Okay. this has to go now. If it goes, we got the right every entry. We can go to highs. High on these candles is 382. Not candles, sorry, contracts.
Another loss. Bro, this is going completely against SPY. It's not trying to reclaim this line. It's weird.
I mean, I like that Nvidia's holding, but I want to see it actually reclaim. Right, some reclaiming moves above like 114.50, I think would be good. Otherwise, I'll just take my technical stop under lows. The issue now is look at this SPY. SPY is now retest rejecting 564, 565, which I'm not a huge fan of for longs.
This candle's coming down here again. We're still green, about $10 a con. I'm going to use that 563 right under a stop price, under many cons. Come on, turn a weaker. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Great bitch. Nice. Yes.
To manage your risk.
Not this way, the other way.
Wiped out all my losses for the week. And all my wins for the week. In one day. I just played this gap fill.
What are they doing to Apple? Apple is just at demand though. Apple's close to that demand 200.
Do not fight momentum on any names, guys. Just keep tight risk. Apple, it'll be Apple or Amazon or anything. Right, 363 is holding. That's our risk, guys. Our risk is actually green on Drone. It's $10 account, okay? Now let's hope that we can reclaim this VWAP here. VWAP is the only thing standing in our way. 50-50 right now.
Let me actually trade with the market.
Yeah, 113.6. That's the level. That's the risk on these runners.
It's the last tap. Yeah, that's over with.
It's interesting SPY. I'm curious to see what it does today. If it can hold above 564.
It's gonna go.
Like bounce that.
Come on, give me like 30%. That's good.
I need Nvidia back at like 114.50 to be green of the day. I need at least $1. And now we're responding to 10 o'clock data.
Oh, come on, go. We're still up $40 a con. Come on, just go. Oh, wait.
What's data? Oh, shit. I got it.
10 o'clock data reaction. Be careful, guys.
I might be.
We're still up $30 a con. $20 a con here, guys. $30 a con here. Our risk is pretty much breaking. So keep your finger on the trigger. 563 breaks, we're out. Otherwise, we're in this.
Yeah, it still can't break. It's another failure. It's one failure, two failures, three failures, four failures, five failures, 6, 7, 8. Just gotta wait till it falls. Keeps failing that line. SPY is the only thing holding it up. And SPY bounced off that.
Let's see if it can actually pin bar off this 13.6 again. If it can pin
You
bar.
claim 114.
Yeah. Problem is SPY just pinned under 564.
Yeah.
Specs on the supply.
Yeah, I'm not really convinced here. Let's see.
For 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's see.
This gap. Hit this
I
gap.
should push down. Same reaction as yesterday. Come on. No, you bitch. Go. There. Come on, go.
I don't know why they're still in
Who's
calls.
shouting? Who the fuck is shouting? Go.
Hmm.
This is clearly downside.
We're up $30 account still, guys. This is it for us. Come on. Yes, that's the right direction. Yes. Yes. That's the right way. Come on.
I just clicked off my stop again.
$40 account here.
Nvidia is just producing a lot of grabs all over.
Yeah.
Just to do it like I was right about it. Almost $50 account here, guys. So
Just needs to reclaim 114.
almost 20% here. Oh yeah, 20% here, guys. I'm going to take a little off in case it breaks out this 560 or 50, but I'm no bitch. I'm holding the rest. I want to see if it can push higher.
Yeah,
I don't mind having break even sometimes. Yeah.
I'm going against them.
Like, do what you want. This is what I wanted, but
And,
after this, I don't know if they'll hold or not.
Yeah,
I really like the way it's
Go,
holding.
go, 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 go. Come on.
we're done.
Yes.
I kind of want to enter some next week contracts too on this.
Oh,
Just one.
yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my
Two
God.
liquidity amount.
Oh my God.
All right.
Up 28% here, guys. I wanted 30%, almost there.
Guys, I'm also gonna enter some of the 116 calls for next week on Nvidia. I want to have some exposure in next week contracts too. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing personally. You don't have to follow this, but I want exposure into next week cons as well. I got filled on the 116 next week's at 1.95.
And did anyone do zeros? How much did zeros do? Guys, on Spike. Tag me and tell me.
So I know it's not a fun day in Nvidia so far, but I'm gonna just use that 113.6 as risk or 113.5 as risk, and I'm gonna sit in more next week contracts than I am in 0 day because I just hate the way 0 days move. But I'm gonna get both. Just letting you guys know.
Oh, look at Amazon also. Amazon also valid again, guys. If you guys want to do that, same risk on that. But this is my last trade. I'm done for the day. I'm going to use that low of that candle of stop. This is 30%. Okay. Zeros 52. You should have done more. 53. That's like, yeah. You should have done more. Maybe you didn't add.
Test the gap.
Maybe you just kept hold. Did you hold the original position, Marcus? Should have done more on that. All right. Now we need to take out 565. That's the test. 363.50 is my new stop now on SPY. So it'll be a green exit. Nice one, Zoom user. Amazon looks good too. It's just matter of timing. That is the demand of 187, 188. Amazon's probably gonna go to.
All right, up now we're back almost green on Nvidia. I know it's not sexy, guys, at all.
Sitting break even.
But you're in the right direction though. I think if you can take that VWAP and use also.
Yeah, I took one.
Yeah, it's the problem is this VWAP.
565 probably breaks everything hulks.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get caught with their panties now. If that happens. If and else.
150.
I hope like if our idea is right here in Nvidia, it's okay. Our first stop is was large, I know, but if our idea is right, our second entry will have better return. If we go back into 115.
Amazon's so strong.
Got a size down.
Has to reclaim 114.30 though. That's VWAP on the video. Sometimes like these ideas, you know, you have to suffer a little bit when you're in ideas like this, and we suffered. Like we got the initial entry, it was a suffrage. Our conviction and idea could still be right. It's just you have to trust your levels now. 113.50 is.
I think it'll work, dude.
Yeah.
Once we have minutes, it'll work.
Yeah.
Just like let's wait 3 more. This is the 3-minute mark. Still no.
If you guys want to get out at break even on the second entry, or maybe you got a better average than us and you're green, you can take it. But I'm just gonna hold and just trust the levels at this point. It has to break downtrend though. This is like this is the must break. If it's gonna go, it's gonna have to go here above 114.30.
Yeah, my stop on runners though is 113.70 now.
113.70. Yeah, that's
Just that last big red candle low.
Yeah.
I think go.
20% good again on 1 day.
Just sitting break even.
So red, I'm so red rider when I bet.
There's no way you're balling at 21. There's no way I just bullied you.
Leave me. Leave me.
And VWAP is right there, 114.30.
I have class at 11.
Why did you leave?
I don't
Lay
know,
down.
nigga. I don't know. Nigga.
Take a nap, bro.
I could be in bed. I'm tired. And,
Come on.
and I just.
Nah, you ain't gotta explain yourself, bro.
Nice job, Fancy. Yeah, I'm still red, obviously, guys. I haven't taken trims in anything, just to be transparent.
Yeah, I only took trims because I was up 14%. Maybe my average was better.
No, your average was better for sure. And then that weird data at 950 data came out, and it just kind of
Gonna go now. Come on.
Guys, support now.
flipped things. But
It's not.
Let's
Next
see.
kind of help.
The video one more time.
Kind of help. Don't you dare, son. Keep going. Take the entire market, okay? Come on.
yeah, Anderson, that's why I shifted a lot of my capital to next week on the video. It's the same trade, same idea. Just I don't want to like have to go crazy on 0 DDs right now. I want to be in some next week exposure too.
Last stream of the day. Last with it.
There. Come on. 20 more cents.
Where's the love on the video? Why is look at this?
Here, come on. It's almost. Go.
It's VWAP.
Go.
You're lying. You're
Jesus
lying.
Christ.
You're lying. Only risking $50. Only risking
This candle has to go now.
Yo, the video is killing me. What? Yo.
Gotta reclaim. I mean, Spies reclaim 564, which is what you wanted to see for a long side today. AMD chips just lagging a bit. AMD lagging a bit, but Nvidia's holding my level. Just gonna use a level.
So there it is. 565. Right.
I'm just gonna retreat when he tells me get out. He says get out. I'm
We're
gonna
up 35% here, guys.
Better.
I've taken some more off here, guys. I'm down to runner size at 38%. And I'm going to use 564 as stop now. Full disclosure, I only have 10 contracts now. we go up higher and higher, we'll take terms into this. Just keep going. If it's gonna go, volume needs to come. Volume hasn't come yet, so it has to push. Don't want it to be a false print.
It's in that the heaven.
Yeah. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna full sell here. I don't want to even like give back one delta worth of profits. Just full sell here. You guys can keep maintain runners if you want, but I'm just gonna be done with it. Be done with it. Saw 38 close to 40% on this. But yeah, good re-entry.
Let it, had it. I'm just gambling at this point. I have no risk. No defined risk. I'm just gambling. But it is what it is. Maybe I'll get lucky.
We're back at my level here, at this 113.5 on NVIDIA. Well, looks like I may get stopped in this too. Let's see.
Guys, I just sold my runners on NVIDIA.
If it can
Yeah,
hold
it's
here, I
a
hold.
little tricky.
Yeah, I mean, I really like the NVIDIA strength, but
That's fine. All we can do is just follow setups. I mean, on another day, it's just we have to reclaim some of those.
let's see. No, this would be it's a holding at my level again.
The
Next-
113.50.
My next week contracts are down only 7%. My 0 days are down quite a bit, though. Obviously, right? They've moved quite a bit, but my next weeks are only down a few percent. So let's just try to maintain our levels here, maintain conviction. If we lose our level, then that's it. I'm probably done for the day.
I like it, but it's the same setup is fine. Just some,
It is. It was the strongest day in pre-market, and it makes sense that it was going to give some grabs today. But I was expecting it to be a bit cleaner than this. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be this relatively weak on the day. But if I'm wrong, I'm wrong,
Okay.
guys. It's it. I have to respect it. 13.5 is my stop.
that's fine. Put me out early. It's fine. But still holding, so good time.
Yeah, I mean, it looked good. What can you do?
Still may do it though. I still may do it. Look at these. Look at like you guys can see it, right? Look at the reactions coming in off our levels. Of 13.5. It just needs to go. It can't. It needs to build, not just react off levels.
Smoke some. I gotta do this. Bam. I'm all upon the protest now.
But this is why I moved a lot of my exposure over to next week's, because I'll be able to kind of sit with this for a bit longer.
It's sorry, dude. This is the kind of candle that makes me want to crash out on spike.
Breaking the MA. Come on, bro.
Bitch and sold.
It's breaking the MA. Are we serious? Or rejecting.
Meta, yeah, Meta was good. Like, look at Meta, look at AMD. Some of the names have decent.
No, Microsoft, same charts. Meta just that I was watching that 576 from yesterday. Just didn't exactly drop. It was like $1.50.
PLTR, you got trading PLTR. Market's holding. Look at how beautiful SPY is holding now.
Candle on Nvidia. gonna go, dude. I think if it takes out revamp, I think at the very least you'll see 115.
I need to see, dude. I need to see like at least 114.50.
Yeah. No, but on the net you can at least redefine risk and keep holding.
Yeah.
So yeah. Wow, dude, fucked up. Fuck. Don't nobody tag me on spy anymore, saying you're holding. What's last shot? I don't know why it's sold.
It's interesting because, like, to be honest, it's like something was a little ominous with the Nvidia contracts. Like, they were so cheap. Did you notice that, Mike?
Yeah.
They were so cheap. Even like it was like $1 in the there was like $1 in the money, and those were like only trading at like $1.50. I'm green in my next week contracts, but I'm obviously not going to do anything with them. I'm just going to hold. I'm still down 20% or so on the 0DDs. Market looks strong though. Market has some strength to it.
Honestly, if Apple would look what's basing and Tesla can join the party here, market can go. I think the running cycles today. Let's see. I hope Nvidia is now they turn on Nvidia and chips so you can get the catch up. Everything else is kind of like that supply. If they can just let Nvidia catch up, cycles higher.
Yeah, it's like there's definitely like some names weak, some names strong today. You see like Tesla definitely weak on the day, Apple weak in the day. AMD is quite strong, so it's like it's more of just like it's not even chips in general. It just seems to be mostly based on Nvidia because like chips are holding SMH holding 218. That's a huge level in SMH. 218 maintaining. If you stop out, you're stopping about yeah. If I this is the same position, 0-0.